Okay, so today I am making Pina Colada. So I have some pineapple and coconut embeds. Pineapple will go in the soap, and then some pineapples and coconuts to go on top. I'm doing majority a white base, which will discolor a little bit. And then I'm going to drop hanger swirl yellow, green, and brown, which are the colors of the embeds. And then I am going to pipe an embellishment on top. I'm doing that actually in a separate batch because if you can see off to the side, I have to pipe all the leaves. So it was just easier to make a separate batch, then I didn't have to worry. Then I'll just instead pipe everything at once. So this is my yellow, which is made to match the pineapples. I'll do a second pass on this. I'm just going to pour one layer, hopefully get it to break further down, and then pour the second closer to the mold so it doesn't go as far down. So this is the green to match my pineapple stems. Then I debated whether I was going to do brown or not, but I decided that the three colors work together and it's not an excessive amount. And since there's no brown on the pineapple embed and the coconut embed is only going on top, I thought it would be fine. So now I am going to hanger swirl it. Just lots of ups and downs, backs and forths. I have found that less is more is actually better. And they usually say less is more, but in this case, generally you need to give it a number of good swirls. Otherwise, you're like passes through with the hanger. Otherwise, you're not going to get a lot of swirl. Just because the color is so random, you might think you're hitting through it, but you might be hitting just this tiny bit of color. So these are the pineapples I made, which I am going to embed into the soap. And I got to figure out what makes up a length. Does that make up a length? Push this down. Okay, so I will come back once I have the piping ready to pipe, and then I will embed the coconuts and pineapples on top. So this shifted over. I really wanted it to be about there, but otherwise, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this soap. It is so cute. I love the color, I love the swirl, and I most especially love the top. The glitter, eco-friendly, biodegradable glitter, the coconut, the pineapple. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I am so pleased with this soap. This just all came together and is super cute. I said, the only thing I wish the pineapple was a little further over, but it's still adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I really like this soap. Oh, and I'm so glad I went with this color theme. I almost didn't do brown, but I am super glad I did. Let me know what you think. Do you like it as much as I do?